Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic indices. In the previous video, we learned how to solve exponential equations that are reduced to simultaneous equations. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve exponential equations that are reduced to quadratic equations. We have 5 questions here. So we are supposed to solve for x in the following equations. We will solve the first one in this video and we will solve the others in the subsequent videos. So let's consider the question for this video. 3 exponent x squared minus 1 is equal to 9 exponent 4. As we've been doing all along, when we are given this exponential equation, our main goal is to make sure that the base on the left hand side and the base on the right hand side are the same, so that we can equate the exponents. The base on the left hand side is 3. The base on the right hand side is 9. We can express 9 in index form such that it has a base of 3 because 9 is equal to 3 exponent 2 or 3 squared. So if we change 9 to 3 squared, we will have the base on the left hand side as 3 and the base on the right hand side as 3. Then we can equate the exponents. So we have 3 exponent x squared minus 1 is equal to 9 is 3 exponent 2. So 3 exponent 2 times 4 because we already had a raised to the power 4 here or an exponent of 4 here. Okay, this will give us 3 exponent x squared minus 1 is equal to 3 exponent 8 because 2 times 4 is 8. Now, the base on the left hand side is 3. The base on the right hand side is also 3. So we can equate the exponents. The exponent on the left hand side is x squared minus 1. The exponent on the right hand side is 8. So x squared minus 1 is equal to 8. If I bring 8 from this side to this side, from the right hand side to the left hand side, you have x squared minus 1 minus 8 is equal to 0. This will give us x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. 9, as you can see from here, can be written in the index form as 3 squared. So you have x squared minus 3 squared is equal to 0. In the videos on algebraic expressions, we studied difference of two squares. If you watch that video, you will see that this expression x squared minus 3 squared is an example of a difference of two squares. In that video, we learned how to expand difference of two squares. So we are going to use what we've studied in that video here. So to expand this difference of two squares, you have x minus 3 in one bracket, then x plus 3 in the other bracket is equal to 0. So in the video on difference of two squares, we explained how to expand difference of two squares. If you want more information about that, you can watch that video under quadratic expressions. We treated difference of two squares there. X squared minus 3 squared is an example of difference of two squares. So in expanding this difference of two squares, you have x minus 3 in one bracket, then x plus 3 in the other bracket is equal to 0. So we have this x minus 3 in one bracket, x plus 3 in the other bracket is equal to 0. To find x, we will equate the first expression here to 0, then we find x for that. Then we will equate the second expression to 0, then we will find x for that one also. So the first one, we have x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. That is the first instant. Then we will equate the second one also to 0. We have x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3. So since it's a quadratic equation, you are going to have two answers for x. So we can say that x is equal to 3 or minus 3. So once again, the main principle here is to make sure that the term on the left hand side and the term on the right hand side, they all have the same basis so that you can equate the exponents. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on exponential equations that are reduced to quadratic equations. Bye bye.